Hello, and welcome to this SwiftUI tutorial for beginners. In this video, we'll be looking at the fundamentals of building interfaces with SwiftUI. SwiftUI is a modern way to declare user interfaces for Apple platforms. Instead of manually laying out each element, you describe your UI declaratively. SwiftUI handles turning these descriptions into actual views and interfaces. Let's look at a simple SwiftUI view. Let's lay out some views. Xcode is currently raising an issue because we do not have any view components in our sections. So let's address this problem and add the necessary view components. To add views, we need to click on the plus icon in Xcode, which will display a list of all the views available in the library. Let's begin by selecting the text view. Now let's add some styling. We'll use modifiers like font and foreground color. Modifiers let us tweak views without manually adjusting properties. This declarative style really simplifies UI code. Next, let's look at SwiftUI's layout system. The main containers are HStack for horizontal and VStack for vertical layout. We can now vertically stack views, images, buttons, and more using VStack. Stack does the same horizontally. So in this intro, we looked at SwiftUI's declarative syntax, styling with modifiers, layout using stacks, and live previews. These fundamentals will be key as we build more complex interfaces later. If you're interested in watching more beginner SwiftUI 4 videos, please let me know in the comments.